Hi guys, Dave here for Dave Outdoors. Thanks for tuning in. I've been looking around for a Tinder bag for quite some time now, and I was sort of settled myself on getting one from overseas. My first choice was Survival Resources. That's the one I looked at in the United States, survivalresources.com, and they had a nice waxed canvas Tinder bag that I was thinking about getting. But just recently on the Christmas holidays, I was out shopping around as I do with a coffee in my hand. And I was checking out Macpac, one of the big outdoor stores out here, and I found this guy here. There's a Macpac label, and I found this fella here. Originally these things go for $69.95. Yeah, I know, a bit overpriced I would think, but they had it on special for $30, and I took up to the 30% off, took it up to the counter, got 40% off. So I got it for $41, and I've set it on it as a Tinder bag. It's not ideal, but it's a very good bag altogether. I'll show you a bit about it. That's the sizing. Haven't measured it up or anything. You can get a look yourself. Expands out at the bottom there, so quite a bit of holding capacity. Interesting little clip. It's got this orange band going across the front, and just this little T-shaped piece of metal that slips into anywhere on the band and holds it secure. Now it does come with this carry handle, which I just clipped off because I'm not going to use it. And that's our bag there. Now this is made from a Macpac fabric. They developed it themselves, I think. It's called Aztec. It's a mixture of cotton, polyester cotton and polyester that has been soaked in wax and other waterproof treatments. I'll just test her out, see how good she is. Haven't actually had a look at its waterproofing yet, but we'll have a quick look. Now they make backpacks out of this stuff, so it's very, very tough, very hard wearing, very resilient fabric. Look at that. Not bad. Most of it comes off. A little bit soaking in already, that didn't take very long, but most of it just beaded right off. Oh, you give it a quick wipe and it's dry. Yeah, not bad at all. Now, of course, with waterproofing, if you take a dunk in a river or something like that, then your tinder will get wet in this bag here, of course. But if I'm going to be doing anything that's going to require river crossing or a number of days out in the bush, something like that, I'm simply going to put this in a plastic bag anyway for extra protection. So waterproofing, I thought she was pretty good. Let's take a look at it. It just folds up like that. We'll look at the lid first. There's our main opening. Two small pouches in the front, there and there. And our main holding bag again. And this just flips over the front and then clips into there. So when it's in my haversack, I just fold it over again to make it fit in the haversack, and she's pretty secure. So it's quite a nice bag. A lot of space in there, a lot of space. And hopefully you can see that okay. Inside of there as well, there's another two small pouches. I was originally going to cut, they're just polyester fabric, thin polyester fabric. I was going to cut those pouches out because I don't think I need them, but actually I've left them in there because one of them holds my little Tinder char tin. One of them holds my little shoe polish char tin. And the other one's just empty at the moment. But I got a big hunk of punkwood there that I found that I've yet to process into char. And my favorite tinder, Kiki, holding plenty of that, and room at the bottom as well. So, like, there's a ton of room in there. There really is. There's a ton of space. Try and get the sun on that so you can see inside. A lot of space in there. So that's how much this thing can open up. Just out of curiosity, what else have I got in there? A few of the Esbit fire tabs. Got one or two of those in there. And good old cotton buds. These ones aren't soaked in wax, but they're pretty dry. Oh, and I have some caroline gum in there as well from the caroline tree. I'm testing that to see if it's flammable. I don't know if it is yet. Still testing that out. You can eat the caroline gum as well, or you can chew on it. It gives off sugar. I haven't chewed on it either. So, tons of room inside this Tinder bag. Normally $69.95, you know, if you want to pay that, okay. But at the moment, right now during the Boxing Day holidays, which are still carrying on, the Boxing Day sales, which are still carrying on, it's 41 bucks. That is actually a good price for a Tinder bag. For Aztec fabric, that's pretty decent. So again, at your Macpac store, just thought I'd share that with you. And she closes back up here. Just like that. Cool. Thanks guys. See you on the next video.